Hello, everyone. I'm Sean Finley, executive chef with John Burroughs High Adventure Company out of Atlanta, Georgia. And definitely not coming to you from America today. I'm a guest of Aimpoint here in Malmö, Sweden this week. And not only are we going to do some great dishes for you, but going on a wonderful hunt this week as well. The beautiful channel behind me separating Denmark and Sweden is going to give us a great backdrop to fix some of these dishes for you today. Going to try to show you how to work with wild game that you can buy almost locally now at any grocery store, not only here in Sweden, but in America as well, and how easy it is to fix these dishes for your family. Healthy, easy to do, minutes when you get home. We're going to try to do these in a minimal amount of pans on the stovetop for you. Just take 15 to 20 minutes per dish, and you can have a wonderful meal on the table for you and your family. Today we're going to start off with a winter salad with Frisée and fresh fennel, along with some clementines, and we're going to candied some walnuts over here while we're roasting the duck in the frying pan. Going to make a nice little simple dressing for that salad. Finish it out with some traditional Lingonberry jam that's available, of course, everywhere around Sweden, and it goes perfectly with the duck. All right, so we're going to start by taking this beautiful duck fillet here, this beautiful breast of duck. Going to score it. Want the skin to crisp up in the pan when we take it over to the stove. Simple seasoning, some beautiful salt, a little bit of black pepper. And it's ready for the pan. We're going to go over also with our walnuts here and a mixture of brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. We're going to melt that in some butter and then toss these walnuts in it and let them roast in that while the duck breast is searing off. And then we'll come back here to the board and finish up the salad part of this and put everything together. And there you have a great meal with duck on a day when you get home from work. Here we go. I'm going to come over here to the stove. I've got a couple of frying pans here that are hot. Already added some olive oil to this one and have a little bit of butter going here that's melted for the walnuts. Let's start the duck skin side down. And we're going to let that render and get nice and crispy. Add just a little bit more butter to the pan for them. And my sugar and spice mixture to melt. Start to get almost like a caramel going to that. Throw in these walnuts. Start candying them. Don't want the walnuts too wet with butter. Just nice and coated, and they'll toast in the pan. Let those go. And we're going to work on our duck here for about 10 minutes until it gets up to a nice medium. Let those walnuts get nice and toasted, coated in all that good sugar and spices. Duck breast is getting happy on the skin side. Starting to get that nice brown, crispy skin on that duck skin side of the breast. Remember, you only want to take your duck to a medium temperature. You don't need to cook it all the way through. It's not chicken. And actually, cooking it all the way through will dry the duck out and not get the flavor that you want on the plate. Got that Beautiful crust to that duck side. Now we're just going to let this duck basically roast in the pan until we're up to a perfect medium temperature. I'm going to turn the heat off. Okay, so we're going to let the duck breast finish up here in the pan, roasting. And we're going to go back over to the cutting board and work on the Frisée and Fennel salad and get this duck dish plated up for you. Here we go. All right, so now we're going to finish up the Frisée and Fennel salad for the duck breast that's still finishing up over on the stove. Got a bowl here, beautiful head of Frisée from the store. Just take it and separate it out. Get it in the bowl here. Take our fennel bulb. Just thin slices. Separate all of that out. Mix that up. Put together a simple dressing here for the salad. Just a little bit of mustard, local honey, and a little champagne vinegar to start with. Get out a whisk here. Whisk that up. A little bit of salt. And pepper. And we'll finish it with a little extra virgin olive oil. Give that a quick taste. Really nice. So, over our greens. Get out a plate here. Let's just start this plate up process. I'm going to drop a few of the slices of orange in here. Mix all this up. I'll start to plate this up. Dropping the clementine slices around the plate as well. We'll decorate it with a few more when we're finished. All right, like that. A few more of those around the plate. All right, I'm going to wash up, go back over and check our duck. And when it's ready, we'll bring it over, slice it, and finish the salad up. That dish is done. Okay, so going to come back over here. We've made our salad, and our duck breast has now been roasting in the pan for about 10 minutes. I'm going to take it off and let it rest for just a few minutes before we slice it. Turn the stove off there on that, and we'll go this way. All right, so we're going to finish up this dish pretty quick now. Pull the duck out. Going to let it rest for just a few moments. Let all of the juices come back up in the meat. We're going to slice it and lay it out across this Frisée and Fennel salad here with the clementines. Top it with the Lingonberry jam, of course, the local Lingonberry jam. And then go back over and bring our warm walnuts back over, right over the top, and you've got dinner for 2 or 3 people just out of this one duck breast alone. So we'll do that. Yeah. You can see how pretty of a medium that duck is. Just line this up. You can take this like this, and lay it out right over that salad. I'll go grab the walnuts, be back with those. Just shake the walnuts out over the pan here. All that goodness start. And here, finish it with a drizzle. This Lingonberry. All right, and there you have it. Beautiful winter salad with pan-seared roasted duck breast, a little Lingonberry sauce, candied walnuts, and clementines. Enjoy.